Today, we're gonna make pan-seared salmon. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Tara, a certified nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes and tips and tricks so you can make restaurant quality food at home. We're kicking off a new series today focusing on brain health. What better thing to make for the brain than salmon? Salmon is not only packed with protein, it is also filled with omega-3 fatty acids, a necessary component for brain health. It also reduces inflammation and has been shown to lower blood pressure. Before we head to the kitchen, I wanted to give a special thanks to Zivi for sending me this beautiful cookware set.
This cookware features a 5-ply bonded construction with alternating layers of stainless steel and aluminum, so it's warp-free and durable. It also allows for even heating to eliminate hot spots. It's PFOA-free silver ion, antibacterial, non-stick, makes cleaning effortless. This set is induction, gas, and electric safe, and it's also oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you guys are ready for this nutrition-packed, delicious salmon, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's grab our pans and head to the kitchen.
In a large saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add in a drizzle of olive oil, and I like to use this silicone brush to evenly distribute the oil. Then we're going to place the salmon with the flesh side down. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over. And now we're going to add some maple syrup. Use that brush just to evenly coat it. And now I like using stone ground mustard. You can also use Dijon, and just spread it evenly over the tops of the salmon. And I love adding a little bit of mustard seed. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. Then we're going to cover it and place it into our preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to remove it. This is such a quick and easy recipe, especially on a weeknight. Look at this perfectly cooked salmon. Of course, we need to check and make sure it's perfectly cooked. Highly recommend using an instant read thermometer. Flaky, delicious, nutritious, packed with omega-3 fats, perfect for our brain. This pairs beautifully with a salad or with rice or potatoes, or even in sushi rolls.
Thank you to Zivi for sending me this beautiful cookware set. If you're interested in getting your hands on a set like this, click the link in the description box below for your free 30-day in-home trial. If you enjoyed today's super easy recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I would love to know, what health issues are you battling with? What recipes would you be interested in? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.